Hello, everybody. Welcome to Tuesday, November 17th, 2020. It's a great day to be a junior Potter here. Mr. Parrott here with your lesson for today. First off, make sure that you get that bell ringer all taken care of so that we can continue on doing those bell ringers. What we are doing today, we're doing a little in-class activity where students will be, got a baggie here, they'll be receiving a bag with different materials in there. There's different colors of yarn, there's pipe cleaners, there's beads, there's a whole bunch of everything kind of in there. And what they're going to have to do is that they're going to use these materials to create the different phases of mitosis by having everything represented by a thing in the baggie. Now, obviously, I cannot digitally hand you the bag of supplies. So what is going to happen is that on Schoology, and I'll show you the post here. This is a slideshow that we'll end up doing here. So the assignment is tabletop mitosis. So I'm going to bring it up here. Here's the assignment tab. I'll show you where it's from. It's going to be in the Tuesday and Wednesday folder. You'll have your bell ringers up there. There's the tabletop mitosis right there. I clicked on that. Here's what it got me. Make sure you put the name there, right there on the first one. And here are the instruction slides. As it says here, you'll answer the questions on the slides in the highlighted dashed sections. On the stage slides, you're going to add a picture of your key over where it says put a color key here. You're basically putting what you used in your picture and what colors that are represented there. You're going to be doing that a little bit differently since you are not able to actually utilize the bag. I'm going to explain what your version of it is. And there's going to be a picture for you to add. So your materials in the bag are right here of what everything represents for you. You'll have a gray/brown yarn in there. That's going to represent your nuclear membrane. You have red yarn, which is a cell membrane, blue yarn, spindle fibers, pipe cleaners. Those are the chromatids or chromosomes, depending on if you have them together or separate. We got the googly eyes or purple pipe cleaners. Those are going to be centrioles. We've got the green yarn as the chromatin, and then we got the beads as the centromeres. And those are the different things that you're going to be involving in your pictures. Not all of these things are used in every one of the phases. Some of them are used in some are used in others. So with us saying that, here's an example of the question slide. The question is up top. It'll say how many sentences I want you to put with it. You'll answer using that many sentences. Now for this picture, for this slide here, it says put the color key here. You're going to decide what things are what. I am going to give you tomorrow in class. It's not going to be up there first thing because I have to wait until people start submitting pictures to me. But in a folder that I have made right here, you can see my little thing on the screen. It says Quarantine Learners. Inside this folder tomorrow, I am going to put a picture of someone's model that did interphase, that did prophase, that did metaphase, that did anaphase, that did telophase. You are going to use that as your picture, and you're going to have to tell me what they use to represent what on there. So you're going to be using their picture, but you're going to be explaining the key. So explaining what all the parts end up meaning for it there. So that'll be our workaround since you'll not be able to manipulate the stuff using the various tools for the baggie. You are going to be responsible for telling me what part is what for the key and making sure you have all the correct parts in there. For that. For Tuesday, I expect us to get through about half of them in there. So if you do up till metaphase and answer the questions for metaphase, that should be good. Thursday then we would work on anaphase and telophase, getting all those questions answered up. If you want to, though, I mean, the assignment's going to be up there. It's the same as Tuesday and Wednesday. So if you want to go ahead and tackle all of it Tuesday, you just have to worry about finishing the study guide then on Wednesday. Make sure that you submit it when you are all done. If you have any questions whatsoever, do not hesitate to ask. I said the pictures will be in the Quarantine Learners folder there. So make sure that you check that out for it. I'll give another little video reminder of all these things on Wednesday, but the main bulk of everything is going to be talked about today, as it will be on Wednesday. So you can check out that video if you want, or if you just want to tackle all of it, that's fine too. Like I said, those pictures may not be up first thing in the morning, maybe around the second, third hour. Once a couple of them have done it, I'll find some real good examples that they're coming up with so that I can post them in the folders there. But they'll be in the Quarantine Learners section, and I'll label them interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, that kind of stuff there. So without further ramblings on, I hope you're staying safe out there. Hope you're doing well. This is your video for Tuesday, November 17th. Remember, we got a quiz coming up there at the end of the week. So without further ado, see you later.